summit of Spruce Mountain. All right, Spruce Mountain Loop, 5.5 miles. The main reason we're here early is there's a red flag warning today for high winds. But the main reason we're here is to break in these new mid-weight hiking boots. The trail starts off just moderately around the side. I think that's Eagle Mountain over there. And then I think we're gonna go up Spruce Mountain. Left-hand turn. The trail is graded nice, making a pretty moderate ascent. Continuing to climb. Paddock's Point. In memory of Warren Paddock, who championed open space. 1.5 miles, you come to the loop on top of the mountain plateau. A couple times daily, freight train from Denver to Colorado Springs. There's a cave down there. Yeah, that's happening. Summit of Spruce Mountain, called Windy Point. This is a Forest Service road. If you need a quick escape off the mountain, get down that road right there. Yeah, I would definitely recommend doing this clockwise. Spring is coming. So this is where the loop comes back together. So at about the 5 mile point, you come to the Oak shortcut back to the trailhead. Spruce Mountain Trail done. Elevation about 7,400 and change. 5.5 mile approximate round trip. A great trail, beautiful trail. I had the mountain to myself because I started early. So as always, thanks for coming along on this adventure. We'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.